Hello there! I hope you're doing well and are ready to explore and discover AI tools. Welcome to the AI Tech Evolution channel, where we provide insights on leveraging AI for business growth. We are living in an era dominated by video content, and with the surge in TikTok's popularity, attention spans have drastically reduced. Nowadays, everyone craves a 20-second video or an engaging 10-minute clip, rather than reading lengthy articles or watching extended videos. With the explosive rise of AI tools since the beginning of the year, content creators must act swiftly if they want to stay fresh and secure their slice of the pie, or else the competition will surpass them. It seems like no one is sleeping in this fast-paced race. Are you ready to unlock the power of AI and revolutionize your video content? Let us get started. To stay ahead of the competition, you need to act swiftly. You require tools that save you time and resources, enabling you to accelerate your content creation and publish new material within tight deadlines. Gone are the days when you could afford to spend hours crafting and editing videos in software like Premiere Pro and other similar video editing tools, which demand learning time and editing processes. It ultimately depends on your goals, but to be efficient and fast, leveraging AI technology is the way to go, allowing you to save both time and resources. In today's video, we're excited to introduce you to one of the top AI video generators that you absolutely need to consider, Pictory AI Video Generator. With Pictory AI, you'll unlock a world of possibilities for creating stunning videos quickly and effortlessly. This powerful tool harnesses the capabilities of artificial intelligence to streamline your video production process and deliver impressive results. Get ready to revolutionize your content creation journey as we dive into the remarkable features and benefits of Pictory AI Video Generator. Let us explore the future of video creation together. Pictory AI tool offers a range of exceptional functionalities that enable you to transform your scripts into spectacular video content. Let us explore some of the key features and advantages of this innovative platform. Let us now explore the intuitive interface of the Pictory AI Video Editor, allowing you to effortlessly create your own video clips with ease and efficiency. At first glance, you'll notice a simple and organized interface design. There are 4 easy and intuitive options that allow you to create your video content. 1. Script to video. In just a few steps, you can input your script, and with the adjustments, Pictory AI will generate a video tailored to your script. 2. Article to video. This is the perfect feature to transform any written blog post or general content into an engaging and informative video. 3. Edit videos using text. Pictory's powerful AI enables you to edit videos using text, eliminating the need to learn complex software. 4. Visuals to video. Easily create your video content by adding video clips from your library. Pictory AI makes the video editing process fast and straightforward. These capabilities allow you to customize the look and feel of your video content according to your preferences. Pictory AI Video Editor is designed to be accessible and user-friendly, regardless of your skill level. It not only enables you to generate videos quickly and easily, but also provides enough creative freedom to express your vision. Now that we've seen the Pictory AI Video Editor interface, we're ready to move on to the next step and witness how this platform transforms your ideas into truly spectacular video content. Now, we will provide you with a detailed overview of the key elements of the Pictory AI interface so that you can better understand how to edit and enhance your video clips. Let us take a tour of Pictory AI. 1. Let us explore the script to video option. You can create outstanding content for educational videos, listicle videos, coaching videos, and step-by-step guides. Let us see how you can turn your script into a video. Depending on your goals, you can create video content in any niche you're in. You just need to create your script. First step, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a script for your video. To help you understand and follow the entire process, I'll show you a practical example in this guide. Let us say we're in the niche of pet care, and we want to promote dog food. Specifically, let us focus on the Labrador breed and food for Labradors. We'll task ChatGPT with writing a script for a video about the best dog food for Labrador Retrievers. Second step, now that ChatGPT has written a script for us, let us proceed to Pictory AI, where Pictory AI will create the video for us based on the script. The first step is to click on Proceed. Once you're on the script editor page, paste the script you generated with ChatGPT by using Ctrl+V in Pictory AI's script editor. Enter your script. After the script is loaded, you'll see scene options on the right side. You don't need to make any changes as Pictory AI will handle everything for you. Simply continue by clicking on Proceed. Now you're on the Choose Template page. Here, you'll select your template and video format based on the type of video you want. Whether it's for YouTube video, TikTok and Shorts format, or a Facebook video. In this guide, we're creating a YouTube video. You'll need to wait for Pictory AI to generate your script into a video. The processing time will depend on the length of your script. Please be patient. We are now on the project page. Here, you'll complete the entire process of creating the video according to your preferences. So, Pictory AI has generated the video based on your script. Of course, the video footage may not perfectly align with your vision. The advantage is that the AI has done the majority of the work for you. Your task is to customize and adjust certain parts of the video to your liking. Now we will go through each option available on the project page. It's very easy and intuitive to navigate Pictory AI, even if you have no prior experience in video editing. Let us go through the options on the project page. On the left side of the sidebar, you'll first see the story option. This is your workspace, where you can view your script on the left and the scene window on the right, displaying scenes from your video. At the bottom, you have a toolbar to edit the scenes in your video. At the bottom, you'll see a toolbar with video editing tools. First, you have undo and redo buttons, delete, preview, trim video, and add voiceover options. You can choose to animate your own voice directly using a microphone or upload an audio recording, voiceover, or text-to-speech from other software if you prefer not to use Pictory AI's TTS voiceover. Finally, there's the Settings button, and below that, you'll see scenes that you can modify as needed. The next option is Visuals. Here, you'll find a library of scenes created by Pictory AI for your video. In the drop-down menu, you can choose between all types of images and videos, as well as all categories. Textures are templates for backgrounds and colors. Under My Uploads, you can add your own images and video scenes to your video. You can find images and video scenes on websites like pxels.com, or if you've created your own AI animations, images, and video scenes in other tools like AI Art. Recent is where you can get an overview of all the scenes currently in the editing timeline. The next option is Elements. Here, you'll find a library of emojis, GIFs, and stickers that you can add to your video. The next option is Audio. Here, you'll find a rich library of background music. You can choose based on the mood, purpose, genre, and duration. Voiceover. Languages are currently only covered in English with various accents. One limitation is the lack of support for multiple foreign languages. If you want to create videos outside the English-speaking domain, you'll need additional text-to-speech software. On one hand, such an option may seem like a budget burden or an additional expense. However, on the other hand, it's an investment in quality tools that enhance your work. If you're serious about running your business, investing in your work shouldn't be a problem. If you're just a hobbyist or at the beginning stages, it might strain your budget. But don't worry, there are good alternatives to start with. You have options to select male and female AI voices. There is also an option to adjust the voice speed. Under My Uploads, you can add your own music and voice over to your video. Recent provides an overview of what you've added to your video editor. Lastly, there is a volume control to adjust the level of background music and voiceover. The next option is Text. It's very simple, just add a title, subtitle, and text in the body of the video. The next option is Styles. Here, you have the options to change the style of your video, to modify templates. There are plenty of options to have fun with, explore, and test out. Adjust the intro style, scenes, and outro. The branding option allows you to adjust and customize your brand in the video by adding your logo and setting templates for the intro, scenes, and outro. The next option is Format. Here, you can select the video format, whether it's for YouTube, TikTok, Shorts videos, or Facebook. Those would be all the options available on the project page. Now that we have gone through all the options on the project page, let us finalize our video. This is just an example to show you what you can do with Pictory AI. Let us go back to Story, where our script is located. Let us add an AI voiceover and choose the appropriate voice.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
After you have finished customizing your video as desired, click on Preview to see how your video looks and if any adjustments are needed. If everything looks good, go to Download and click on the video option in the menu that appears. Wait for the video to render, and once it's done rendering, it will be ready for download.
Welcome back, pet lovers. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the best food for our adorable Labrador friends. Labradors are known for their energy, loyalty, and, of course, their hearty appetites. So, let's dive right in and explore the ideal nutrition for these fantastic dogs. Intro slide: the best food for Labradors. Labradors have unique dietary requirements, as they are active and energetic breeds. Proper nutrition plays a crucial role in keeping them healthy, happy, and full of vitality. Here are a few key considerations when choosing the best food for your Labrador. Slide 1. Balanced diet. First and foremost, a balanced diet is essential for Labradors. It should include high-quality proteins, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Look for dog food that provides all the necessary nutrients your Labrador needs to thrive. Slide 2. Protein-rich meals. Labradors require a substantial amount of protein in their diet. Protein helps support their strong muscles, promotes healthy growth, and aids in overall body repair. Look for dog food that lists real meat sources, such as chicken, beef, or fish, as the primary ingredient. Slide 3. Healthy fats. Healthy fats, like omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, are beneficial for Labradors. These fats help maintain a shiny coat, support brain function, and boost the immune system. Look for dog food that contains ingredients like salmon oil or flaxseed to provide these essential fatty acids. Slide 4. Complex carbohydrates. Labradors are active dogs, and they need energy to fuel their adventures. Complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains and vegetables, provide a steady release of energy. Look for dog food that includes ingredients like brown rice, sweet potatoes, or peas to ensure a good carbohydrate source. Slide 5. Joint health. Labradors are prone to joint issues, especially as they age. It's crucial to support their joint health from an early age.
Follow the guide, and you'll create an outstanding video in Pictory AI. Now, let us address some of the limitations in Pictory AI and solutions to overcome them. Pictory AI is a valuable tool to expedite the video creation process, saving you time and resources. However, there are some drawbacks you may encounter, such as template selection and text-to-speech voiceover. In this example, my script focused on Labrador dog nutrition. While the AI-powered video creation handled the script well, the scenes and templates missed the mark. Some scenes featured topics related to human fitness and health instead of dogs. There were no scenes specifically depicting Labradors. So, I'll need to modify and adapt most of the scenes to align with my script. Nevertheless, it's not all doom and gloom. We understand that AI is still evolving, and the AI we know today will surely be more advanced and of higher quality in a year or two. It's a great help that AI sets up the structure for you, which you can then customize to your needs. Certainly, it's easier than starting from scratch on your own. Another drawback is that the video scenes utilize the Storyblock platform, which can be an additional cost for your budget. However, it's worth noting that the images and video scenes are of high quality, and you'll have unique content since not everyone uses paid platforms. That's great if you're already established in your business and the investment in content creation pays off for you. The problem arises if you're just starting out and either don't have a budget or have limited resources. In that case, you can explore alternative free platforms like pixels.com and similar ones. Alternatively, you can create your fantastic video scenes using various AI art generators and then upload them to Pictory AI. That's an excellent option. Another limitation is the voice-over feature. It supports only English language with various accents. If you want to create a video in Spanish or Italian, you would need additional text-to-speech software. This could be a burden on your budget. On one hand, it may seem like a drawback due to the language limitation. On the other hand, it makes Pictory AI stand out and enhances its quality compared to other similar video editors. I have been using text-to-speech software in my work for a long time. In this field, AI is most advanced for the English US language, while other voices still vary in quality and mostly sound generic. There are text-to-speech software solutions that are solely focused on voice quality. If Pictory AI included all standard voices in other languages, it would become just another average video generator in the market. Over time, as AI technology advances, Pictory AI will also evolve and improve. There are plenty of available alternatives for text-to-speech, with premium options generally offering better quality than free ones. In the end, the decision is yours. You know your needs, goals, and budget best. User experience. There are several improvements that could be made to enhance the overall user experience of Pictory. One option is to allow for client profile customization, not just brand settings, but also uploaded visuals, projects, and more. This would be beneficial for agencies working on different client projects with diverse branding requirements, uploaded audio and visual assets, and so on. Another area that needs improvement is the media libraries. While Pictory offers a lot of great content, having more video clips, photos, and music would be even better. Pictory could also consider adding a feature on the storyboard that allows users to merge one or more scenes when they upload text. Finally, the ability to host and play videos from Pictory Cloud would be a great addition. Anyone who enjoys sharing video links on social media or collaborating with colleagues for feedback would find this feature highly beneficial. Pictory is a powerful tool for creating AI-generated videos. Users can quickly transform text and long video footage into short, engaging video content. The transcription and subtitle features provide an advantage to marketers by helping their content rank better on SERPs. However, there is room for improvement. Ultimately, Pictory is an excellent video creation software with several advantages for agencies, bloggers, social media managers, podcasters, and YouTube creators. To summarize, should you purchase Pictory now that you have all the necessary information about this video generation tool? Should you buy Pictory? We recommend purchasing Pictory if you need to generate a large number of videos in a short period of time. It's incredibly useful for YouTube channels, websites, and social media platforms. However, Pictory is more suitable for people who will use it professionally, considering that it is not free. If you intend to use it for personal purposes, you may want to reconsider your decision. Its features might be too extensive for creating hobby videos, and there are many free tools that can fulfill that role. Dear viewers, we hope this review of the Pictory AI video editor has been helpful and informative to you. In this review, we have covered one of the main features, script-to-video, that Pictory AI offers. We will also create guides for other functions such as article-to-video, edit videos using text, and visuals-to-video. If you have any questions about the Pictory AI video editor or if you'd like to share your experience with us, feel free to leave a comment below the video. Your feedback is extremely valuable to us, and we would love to hear your thoughts, ideas, or suggestions regarding this tool. Stay connected with our channel and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest reviews and guides. Thank you for watching this review of the Pictory AI video editor, and we look forward to your comments and questions. See you in the next video.